y'all back in that little cup holder. Almost dropped it. The little cup holder is not a real cup holder. Well, it is, but I mean, it's one of the things you fit down between the seats. But it worked pretty good to hold the camera with. So, I'm going to take it out of four-wheel drive, I guess. And we'll just head out to the back country here. We're pointing at the sky there for some reason. I guess I might have to run it up to the gas station and put a little gas in it. I think it's worth investing in getting a new breather for it. I'll go back here and see. Things are looking like back in the back 40. See, my boat is back here. That big trailer's mine. Some of y'all remember when I built that. And I never really finished it, but I kind of have given it to my neighbor. I got some really good neighbors here, and I've gotten too old to haul around big old heavy cars much, so I just kind of turned that over to him. And then there's my boat. I had some trouble with the trailer on that. I didn't really have an inside place to keep it. I've got a little trailer there that would make a good engine stand or something. And of course I got this trailer. That's my that's a good trailer there, but I don't use it much. It's perfect for the Crosley. I put the Crosley on it before. Looks like the tag is going to expire here in a little bit. And that's my neighbor's trailer there. And then he's got all these boats and stuff back there. He's a boat guy. He's got boats. He works in a boat yard. Some of these are experimental boats, like that one right there. That's an amazing boat. This thing's designed to run about 100 miles an hour. And all. Yeah. I'm lucky to have the neighbors I got and all, I think. That's pretty cool right there. Amazing what a new air conditioner. I had a beautiful old Plymouth Fury the year right before they came out with the Roadrunners, and it wouldn't run well, and I sold it, and the guy put a new air cleaner on it, and it ran great. He looked into it, and it had an experimental Roadrunner engine in it. It was before they came out with the Roadrunners. He was pretty darn happy to get it for $300. I felt pretty darn dumb for not at least looking at the breather before I let it go out, because I didn't think it was running right. It was entirely my fault. Sometimes when you're young, you do dumb things. And doing dumb things teaches you not to keep doing dumb things, if that makes any sense. So, let's see if we can spin her around here without getting stuck. If I get stuck, all I gotta do is put the 4-inch wheel drive in. It'll be good. Oh, nice little tight turning circle. I think I like this thing. I think I tried the signals. I think I tried to, yeah, them work. Oh, the joy. It's funny, I was thinking I wasn't going to do anything today because I wouldn't feel good, but you know, getting out here and working on something made me feel better. It's a good thing. Fresh air. I called Mike this morning. I decided not to go see him yet, because if I'm sick and he's had pneumonia, the last thing he needs is me coming around bringing him more sickness. But as soon as I get better, I'm going to go see him. Now, I called George. He's my old banjo picking friend. He's up in his 80s now, and he's getting pretty fragile. I told him same thing. As soon as I get feeling better, I'm going to go see him. I'm going to go see Luke, Cool Hand Luke Palioka, the artist. I might go Monday and see him. But we'll have lunch with my daughter on Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm putting my little car in the shop, so I'll be staying home. Thursday's Thanksgiving. We'll probably be doing something with Honey Babe's grandkids. And yeah, so that's how that goes. Yeah. I thought about the possibility of putting a snowplow on this vehicle. that could be done, and this would be a lot more comfortable. It's not as short as my other Jeep, but it's pretty darn comfortable. I'm about to think on that though. I'm gonna think on that. I'll think on that some more before I make any decisions about what I want to do with this thing. I'm gonna back it back up here where the old Jeep used to sit. I say the old Jeep, you know, Patches. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I probably have to put the 4-wheel drive in to get it to back up on there. Let's see. Maybe not if I get a little running start. Yeah, that's good. That's good enough. Okay. All right, that's enough for one day. I'm gonna go back to recovery. I misplaced my key when I went in a while ago, but luckily I had a spare, so let's see if I can find that other key too. Oh, the joy.